You won't believe it, but I was a Disney vlogger in the year 2000. I'm gonna tell you about my videos that I'm so excited to share with you, and I have a little bit of a Disney haul from a couple places. So stick around and let's jump into it. I got this Carl Zeiss Handycam mini DV camcorder a long time ago, and I just found it. My husband and I did a big purge. We're supposed to move to the Bahamas, a long story, but this is one of the things I kept and I could never find it. It was hidden below these old photo albums, and my husband had just found it. So excited when Phil looked through all the camping stuff. He found
a box of lost things.
Box of random stuff.
Everything in a bin and moving.
I can't believe we kept Frisbee golf, but this is what I'm excited for, Landon. Disney trip, Landon! Yay! So we broke it out of the box, and I was able to find a converter on Amazon to convert these. Now the video, actually, it's been 22 years. Almost 23 years. So it is glitchy, and from what I read is that the tape on this is magnetic. So over time it degrades, and that's why you get these glitches. But they are amazing videos. I can't believe I walked around Disney like this. So my sisters and I have 3 older sisters, and it was, my one sister had 1 kid and the one had 4, but now there's a total of 8. But at the time it was my 5 nieces and nephews, my 3 sisters, and my poor, unfortunate 1 brother-in-law was the only man on the trip, that trip. But he had a good time. So the first video that's gonna be out is the Magical Moments Parade out of Magic Kingdom. And then I think I have 3 or 4 more videos that I'm so excited to share with you. So come back every Thursday. It's gonna be a Throwback Thursday, retro Disney 2000 videos. And I might, if I can get permission from all parties involved to post it, there's enough to do sort of like a general vlog, which is fun because for me, like seeing my family all together, which is rare these days because we're all over the East Coast, would be amazing to put together. And we stayed at Old Key West Resort, which is kind of like insane too. It was the one and only time I've only stayed there. I think my brother-in-law's cousin or something were DVC members back then. So yeah, so I was so excited to find these. I've been wanting to find these, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So that is the retro Disney videos that I'm gonna call the retro series, probably coming up. And speaking of retro, my mother-in-law just moved and sent over a bunch of stuff to my husband, and she sent these over, which I am so excited about. I've gone through some of them and I absolutely love them. So these are the guidebooks from, is it 1989? Pretty sure it's 1989. Disney dollars on here. Welcome to Epcot Center. It's still called Epcot Center. How amazing is that? Why can't I find the year on here? It's funny, everything's like Kodak 2-hour processing, so everything is about oh yeah, it says 1989 on the back. Kodak Company, 1989, I think. Like on the back, there's like tips from Kodak, and then what I'll do is I'll take pictures of the maps. Look how look how crappy the maps were back then. So funny. And this will give you a little hint about one of the videos as well. But I mean, this is so amazing. It says, guess what's next? Now booking for fall 1990 opening. The yacht and the beach club, like our favorite resort. I love it so much. Like, could they even have this now in 2022? Mickey has a gun for Adventureland. Huey, Dewey, and Louie are dressed up as Indians for Frontierland. Like, I don't think they would allow that. Oh, Mickey's an astronaut for Tomorrowland. I just absolutely love these. I was thinking maybe putting them in a shadow box or something. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do with those. Okay, the next thing that I love and I'm so excited about, it's a little, which speaking of fanny packs, all four of us, me and my 3 sisters, all rocked fanny packs. And not in the silly sling way you guys do it now, like around the waist. So I absolutely love this. It's from Pink Ella Mode. I think it was $30. And it is a fanny pack for kids. So adorable. Landon absolutely loved it. I've been hiding it from her though, because I wanted to show you guys first. And it comes with a belt extender, so it should last for a long time, or I guess if she wants to wear it as a sling bag, she can do that. So this is just so adorable, and she definitely could rock this out in the parks. I have 2 more things. We went to Hershey Park and we went camping, and on the way we drove through Lancaster. I was like, Phil, can you just stop? Let me have 15 minutes, because we were running late and the sun was going down. It's like, just give me 15 minutes to run through. I need to do a quick run through of the Disney store. Like, kid-free, it's amazing. Like, kid stays in the car. So, look at these things. You will not believe this. So they were on sale for $17. And then they were another 30% off. And then when you go to the Disney store, and if you have a Disney Visa, another 10% off. Guys, I walked out for $11. Item number 2, the same exact price. Well, it says $15, I don't know. I think it was $11 though. Maybe this one wasn't 30% off. Look how beautiful, a snow white with like a little cape costume for $11 from the it's a Disney store / outlet, so this must have been from the outlet portion of the Disney store. And I got it in a size bigger because she has a cute little Snow White Etsy dress that I got for our storybook dining this summer when we ate with Snow White. And I'm so glad I got away from the glitter and the dresses. So such a great deal. I absolutely love these ears. And Shop Disney had, I'm like bummed, they had a like an Americana Loungefly this summer, and it went on sale like 30% off, and I almost bought it, but I was like, I've kind of been spending too much money on Loungeflies lately, so I didn't buy it. But how perfect would it have been with these ears? So these are just my 3rd pair of ears, because I do have a big head and it can tend to hurt, but these are just so cute. They would look so cute in the summer, like at Epcot or something at Disney. So that was my quick haul, and I am so excited to share with you these retro Disney videos. So come back every Thursday, and my posting schedule now, I'm gonna post a video with Disney tips and tricks on Tuesday, and then Thursdays is gonna be the retro video for the next 4 to 6 weeks. I'm not sure how many I have yet. And guys, I booked a Disney trip. It's not where you think. So that might be the next Tuesday video, next Tuesday. Come back. Can't wait to tell you all about it. So excited. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye. That's kind of Americana. I think it matches the ears really well. In the